Good day, sir, ma'am. I'm Rosalyn De La Cruz, 43 years old. I have two kids, 12 years old and 6 months old. I'm eldest in the family. I'm course in computer secretarial. I'm ex-abroad in Hong Kong for 6 years. In my first employer, my second employer is only 1 year and 6 months because my employer have a financial. I taking care 1-month-old baby. I do all cooking, cleaning, marketing, and laundry, ironing, and my main duties is taking care a baby. I'm hardworking and honest and God-fearing. Sir, mom, good day. I hope you select me as a helper. I am hardworking, honest, and God-fearing. See you soon. God bless.